or has billions of pesos worth of transactions in her bank accounts. In the third hearing on her impeachment case by the House Justice Committee on Wednesday, the Anti-Money Laundering Council presented collated data from the accounts of the VP and her husband, Manasseh Carpio, showing 6.7 billion pesos worth of transactions. These are the sum total of transactions in both accounts made from 2006 to 2025. In a lengthy statement on Thursday, Sara did not directly refute the data, but instead decried it as politically motivated. She particularly took a swipe at former Senator Sonny Trillanes, who also testified on the Duterte family's alleged hidden, ill-gotten wealth. VP Duterte blasted Trillanes for peddling what she called the same incredible story for nearly a decade. The only thing that changed, according to Duterte, is Trillanes' backing. For her, now at play is a machinery involving President Bongbong Marcos and members of the lower house that have received maletas, now the common term for payoffs. Sara said, quote, "Ang mga totoong magnanakaw, hindi sa bangko pinapasok ang pera, kundi sa maleta." And amid all the accusations against her, Duterte said her service record is clean. Duterte also claimed that she never faced malversation cases. The vice president added that all her assets and monies are listed in her SALN or Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth, and that every cent of it came from legitimate sources and are backed by corresponding documents. VP Sara's lawyers also had this response to conclusions made by Justice Committee members on her financial data.
Yung salitang hindi nagtutugma is a conclusion in itself. No? Yan yung posisyon namin. Para po sa amin, actually, wala naman pong hindi nagtutugma. Perhaps it's just the way that things were presented. Marami ring nagulat. Totoo naman po yun. No? Kahit naman sino siguro magugulat kung ganun yung amounts. But again, doon po kami nanggagaling sa how is an AMLAC report presented. Diba? It is the aggregate of all, ang tawag nga nila ay inflows and outflows. So, lahat ng deposit, lahat ng withdrawal, ina-add nilang lahat yon. At least yun yung posisyon namin at pananaw namin o pagkakaintindi namin sa reports ng AMLAC. No? Na ina-add lang nila lahat yun over a span of 18 years. So, it doesn't give us a clear picture kung magkano ba talaga yung pera na nasa bangko.
While many are hoping the VP would somehow shed light on the billions that passed through her accounts, Attorney Powa said she will at the proper forum, perhaps at the Senate, if the impeachment case reaches there. Team Sara is confident of an acquittal once a full-blown trial at an impeachment court happens.
Hintayin nila kami. No? Hintayin nila na kami naman ang magpresenta ng aming ebidensya para pabulaanan lahat ng mga lumalabas ngayon laban sa ating Vice Presidente. Well, the defense team is not here to lose, hindi ba? So, binuo kami, we only have one target. It's not just to win, but actually to show the general public and the people of the Philippines na walang katiwalian, na walang katotohanan sa mga ikangay katiwalian na binabato sa ating Vice Presidente.
Kapatid Arles de Los Santos, we are One News.